sounds of English has to do with consonant clusters. Now what do I mean by consonant clusters? In a word, there are certain consonants which come in together. For example, a count. Here, if you notice, you have two consonants coming together, and here again you have two consonants coming together. So when you find two or more consonants stuck together in any position of the word, we call it as a consonant cluster. Now, in English, if you notice, certain consonant clusters make very different sounds than the composition of these consonants themselves. For example, WH. W has a W sound, H has a H sound. But when together they come, they produce a sound as in what, where you have what. Yes? However, this has a very different pronunciation when you write WHO, which means who. So, this very combination can be pronounced as W as in what or who as in who. So, there are certain other consonants which have a similar kind of pronunciation. For example, S and C together should have a pronunciation whatever, a S or a SK. You can find this SC having a S-like pronunciation in science and a SK-like pronunciation in scan.